Hi guys, I've done another curry, but I ain't got no garlic bread, so how about giving this a try without using the garlic? What you do, grab a piece of bread, put it on top of another piece of bread so you don't make a mess. Give that side of butter, put it on the other piece of bread so you don't make a mess, butter the other side. Mixed herbs, asda, great stuff. Just give that a pinch from an height, then cover it. A bit of salt from the night, so you cover it. And what you do, just put that in there, hot pan, no oil, nothing. Get your mixed herbs, sprinkle that from the night again, so it's all over it. Then nice cover it, a bit of salt. Couple of minutes each side in a really hot pan, and that's all you do with that. Give the corner a lift, watch your fingers, job done, turned over. Another couple of minutes and that'll be done. So just cut it up, chuck it on there, but it tastes really nice even though it ain't got no garlic in it. So here's your Herby bread. Oh, that's nice. And you won't even stink of garlic. So when you kiss your girlfriend, you won't stink of garlic. But don't tell your missus.